Okay, so the next part of the website creation that I want to talk to you about in this tutorial is when you want to add a page. So right now we only have one page. We have home. A sitemap is just something you click on that gives you an overall map of what your website looks like. And we can get rid of that later if you like. So when you create a new page, there's a couple basic things you're going to want to do every time. The create page button is right up here, or new page button. You're going to click there. It's always going to ask you the same thing. It's going to say what is the name of this page and what is the template you want. Okay, so this page we'll name it, how about our schedule. Okay, the next part is what do you want it to look like? You want it to be a web page, which is a basic page, just like we just did with our home page. Do you want it to be an announcements page that you are going to add things to? A file cabinet where you keep documents, a list, or a start page? So this would just be a web page. And then it says select a location. In general, you just want to keep this at put page at top level. You do not need to really choose anything else. So you're going to hit create, and when you create it, it'll take you right to that page. Okay, so here's the title, our schedule. All right, it added it over here to our little sidebar navigation, and then it has some things on there. It has a place for you to add files and for people to make comments. Now, if you don't want those, which usually you don't, here's what you do. You hit save because you want to save this page. Okay. Now, to change things about a new page, how it looks, you go to the More button and go to Page Settings. Page Settings is a really important choice that you're going to have to make a lot when you create a new page. When you click on Page Settings, it's going to ask you what do you want on there. Well, I don't want comments. I don't want to show attachments. I really don't want links to other pages on there, so I'm just going to leave the title on there. Okay. The rest of the stuff you really don't need to mess with. Then hit save. When you save it, it'll take a second, and there it goes. Okay. Now that I have our schedule up there, I can edit the page, just like I showed you last time by clicking. Let me show you again. I click on the edit pencil. Then I can make our schedule or put your schedule in right here. Okay. So that's basically what you need to do when you create a new page. Okay, is just to click on the create page button or new page button, name your page, okay, and then after that you just need to go up to page settings and then only have a check mark next to what you want, and you're going to need to do that part every time you create a new page. Okay, so that's how you create a new page with Google Sites, and that's it for this portion of the tutorial.